The next one is pretty simple. It says that given a string, write a program that counts the even words, and assume that the string is not empty or null, meaning that if we're given a sentence print even words in a string, what we'll do is we'll have to count each word and print the word that contains a length of an even number. So for instance, the word print is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is an odd number, and then even 1, 2, 3, 4, which is even, hence we have it here because it's even. And then we have words 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it's not even. And then we have in, which is 2. That's why it's here. 2 is an even number. And then we have a, which is 1, which is odd. And then from here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So 6 is also an even number. Then that's why you have it right there. And then without any further ado, go straight to our IDE, right click, say new Java class, and then we'll call it even words printer. Then after having this, what we'll do is we will have our method public. Let's just make it static, because we're going to call it inside the static method main. And then it's a string of, it's a list of string. Let's have a list of string. And then we'll have get even words given a string. Right. So let us just import the right package here. So java.util package there. So what we'll do here is we'll have our own list here, a list of strings, and we'll call it maybe even words. And then we'll have, which is equal to new, then array list. So let's have another declaration here. We'll have a string of arrays, and then, or an array of strings, and then we'll take the input and we'll do a split. So we'll split at an empty space. So if you like, you can come here. Whenever we have a space, then the split will happen. If you like, you can use a regular expression, which S stands for space, empty space, or white space, and then we'll do a plus for each and every space that we'll encounter. Now for each, let's just look for each int I is equals to 0. We're looping through the words array, and then I less than words dot length, then I plus plus. So what we want to do is we want to say if they want to check if whether that word, because now we've managed to split, want to check if whether that the word, we're going through all the indexes of the array and checking the contents thereof, check, and then we'll check the length of each and every value there, check if whether it's let's say it's even, so it's even if the remainder is 0, right? Then we just add it to the even widths dot add, and we add the actual word there, right? So we are saying that if it is even, we know that it's even if the remainder is 0. Otherwise it means that it's odd. So we have managed to successfully add, then we just have to return even words. Now to test this, let's go back to the main method here, and let's just get even words. Let me just copy the example. I just like, you can give it anything. I just like doing it this way because I know that I already have the output there. So yes, as you can see, it's even, it's in, and it's also string. You can have pretty much anything here. I love coding. So love should be part of it as well, because it has an even number there. So we might pretty much have a love encoding as well, since it has about 6 characters. So if you have any questions, feel free to comment and ask questions, and then I'll get back to you as soon as possible.